You guys need to do the long shots. Oh shit. 1 hour? They're really close. Just consume you. Don't consume the pig. Oh, she doesn't have enough energy. And the happy music kicks in, like, is it for happy? Hijinks, what's Hijinks doing? You guys heal up. We need more ghouls. Whoa. Someone just got shot almost. Using self. Okay, no, you guys start firing at these guys. You start firing at this guy. Now we could res Chop. We do have another res. He is our cleaner. And they're the medic. He lost his right hand. Do I really care about him? We'd be good. And then there should be no more... Oh, he's got one more death refusal. How about this guy? You go. You go. Everyone who's injured... Oh wait, I think you're still coagulating him, aren't you? Yeah. There's so much blood. Might as well use it. Position. Let's do, you stop here. Lori, Div. Put you here. And you guys fuck him up. And then you. Lori's got the wall, right? We block. How did... Oh, did I turn him on and off? Did I? Fire's dangerous. Div, you can put the fire out here. You're getting close, but we can always res you. Yeah, let's do it. Jump packs. Who was researching? Alright, Kylian. have already healed up. Artie is 10 to Kylian. Sniper as well. Set up here. And we've got 3 hours on the wall. Let's actually move. I think we can kill 8. And he just died? Oh, that's right. We caught him with like a split second left. I don't want to hit Ivan. You stay. You fire against Noodles. And then you can't really do much here. You fire. You got one hand. No. Fuck. Should I res him? Where's Ivan? Let's coagulate his body. And then Artie. Oliver. Did he die again? Did we just one tap him? Yeah, he just died again. So this guy's gonna go around the. I was hoping fire would be useful, but I think it actually hurts us more, especially with the 2 vamps. So probably won't use the incendiary again. And we'll get all our snipers around the other side. However, you, sir, we're gonna turn off fire at will because we don't. Wait, where's your... We will use herbal on him. Probably should use herbal on everybody. Oops. And then that's gonna be a huge ass fucking fire now. Let's start putting up the fire. You guys can't really do much else. Dead. And you can. Do we have a Insanity Lance? We do. Who's down? Just got back from Vegas. Oh, poor. It didn't do so well. Artie, you should probably eat some food. Thank you. And then once everyone got their food, put div. Actually, let's move cows right next to this guy. And you can just go to town on him. Already just got smoked. Ooh, that was close. Wait, why is he still firing it? Oh, how? Forgot self to. Alright, and you come here. You come here. Make sure these. And then Lori. Royal. And then you. Everybody with close combat now. So we'll get everybody to run down here. So self-resurrect, that's fine. And then gear, we'll drop that since it's useless for you. Gumpy is using self-res. Okay. We could do a, let's lob a couple. We're not in the greatest defensive. Gonna use self-dis. Does he have revival? He does. He's almost dead. These guys are going around. Cows is going after him. You can try to get down here. AG up front. You get ready to beat the shit out of this guy. How come we can't hit these guys? Oh. They got stunned. Lori, let's get her out of here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I think these guys are all loyal. Death refusal. Yeah, he's just gonna die. And you're just gonna die. Yeah. No tough trait. Nope. Alright, you can rescue him. And cows, come over here. Let's bring you up front. Cows. Chop died. Did he get shot in the head? Probably. Ooh. They definitely do work. Oh, yeah, we gotta set that to chop. There we go. No, let's not haul him here. Haul him over there, and we can bury him. Just back up here. Ooh. Go, 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 go. And then... Oh, no, never mind. Oh no, he's dead. And he's dead. Just temporarily cut their, so yeah, we'll cut their, and then where is Ivan? It's neat. I'd like to go back sometime. Yeah, dang, this big hall. Yeah, we're getting up there. That's pretty crazy. How's it going, final? Slowly coming. And then we can. Ooh, Kylie and Lori teleport cows. Oops. There you go, and you. Through the heart. I need longer range weapons. Okay, let's get you. You need to put on your goddamn shield belt. Where did it go? You hit the masterwork one. Backside. Artie, you can self-tend. Tend to Artie. Cows, keep going after you. He's dead. Let's put you on him. So he stops shooting. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, who's got the... I thought... Yeah, you guys stop firing your fire. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. Man, get our 2 snipers. And incapacitated, nice. We get to keep him. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And we'll hold that open. And go you, go for you. Oh. Let's get the guys with shields up front. Ooh, I don't know if... Nice shot, Div. Alright, these guys are very injured. We'll consider it. We're running out of fingers for Div. Here. Put you guys here. 4. Oh, we sniped the guy? Oh, shit. This game fucking snipes, man. Oh. Jump behind you. Of course. Ooh, that's a... You just fired at a... Uh-oh. Vampire. Get you out of here. Put you in behind. Oh, can I not see? What? We full of bodies again? Oh, whoops. Whoa, I'm leaning a little bit off them. Ori, you can come over here as well. Oh, okay, they're gonna go for the security door. What's wrong with this one? Escape. Who's still shooting? Oh, what? Where did this guy come from? There we go. Oh. Wait, 3 more? Oh, the fire burned out this one, so they will come back. That's good to know. That's actually a better spot, too. Get your ass over here. We'll come back over here and grab that. I don't know if snipers are that great. They're good for very specific things, but I'm gonna start. Show might be a rude awakening when he comes out of there. We're back, alright. And then you, sir. No, he died. And then you guys killed him too. Ooh, that's not what you want to do. Oh, he went down. Oh, he's back up. The old switcheroo. Get at it. Oh, he's back down. Okay, we're not as strong as I thought we were. It was definitely worrisome. Pardon me. How's it going, DK? Is that all we brought? Is that all we have? Yeah. I think that'll be fine. Shambler's easy. Jump over the fire because you'll get scared. Just keep running. And then where's Ivan? Alright, he's coming. We need you to have your shield. Okay, I think we're gonna make a separate one for close combat people. Okay, everyone else has guns here. No, there's some close combat. Would be a good way to wipe. You guys can get this. Move that. Wait, I don't think the fire went off. We might actually be okay. Fucking blasted him in the skull. We really don't care about this fire. Please don't just send everybody over here without some of the guys here. We need to definitely make these into... Okay, you guys should be good now. So you can leave, except for you. Alright, anyone here that's good. And those guys are going over that way. Okay, so let's send our Kylian, Shoat down here. Caught can come and grab. Uh-oh. Chimera, Shambler John, not Shambler John. Alright, Lou. Then to Oliver. And then to you. That's mainly, we could use, yeah, we'll do that because I'll level up his shit. But he's gonna self-resurrect. Equip the gun so he can't take it. Ivan is fleeing. Oh, there is a fire. Ooh. Oh, shit, they're already here? Let's put you over here. Oh, is this all the close combat? Oh, this is awesome. Ooh, fast walker. I think everyone else is dead, right? Wait. Bring you guys up front. I want to do that. Prissy is getting we back up. Yeah, it's back up, back up, back up, back up. It does such a good job at cleaning. You guys are pretty damaged, so I might. Who's this guy? 2 hours. Night Owl, body modder, construction, and mining. Damn, hand cannon's got some range. And we're gonna put fresh, or no, sorry, rotten. Okay, let's go here. Get everybody out. Whoa, 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 whoa. You have enough to finish that. Get your ass back here.